Hey, welcome back guys. So in this video I'm going to create a first Django project. Like last time we talked over virtual environment, but today in this video I'm going to create the first project of Django that we can create here. So if you can remember, in the last video we created virtual environment and we talked about the importance of virtual environment. But now let's get started with the first Django project setup. Okay, so now what you want to do is you open your command line. For my case, I am using Git bash. You can use PowerShell, you can use CMD, depends on what you want. For my preference, I prefer Git bash. Okay, so if you can remember, last time we created a virtual environment on our desktop inside the folder called Django Project. So we still want to go inside the Django project. Then inside, and then we want to activate our virtual environment, and we activate our virtual environment. Okay, so now our virtual environment is active. Before you create a Django project, the first thing you need to do is to install Django inside that virtual environment. The easiest way to install it is to type pip install Django, then you hit enter, and then Django should be installed. Now for my case, the requirements are satisfied already. My Django is installed there. But for you, if you're not installed, then if yours is not installed, then allow it to get installed, then you can do the rest of the stuff. All right, so let's create the first Django project. To create a Django project, you have to type command called Django admin, then start project, then you give the project name. What could be the project name? Let's say you want to do a project of a hotel, or you're doing, it depends on the name of the project you're doing. So for my case, I'm just going to call it demo, like that, the project name to be demo. Then you can see my if I list the files inside, you can see the Django demo project is already created. But let's get inside this file and see what is inside this file. Now you can see here I have the demo file and the manage py file. So in the next video we will talk about what the Django manage.py file is. But to know whether your Django project is running, then to know whether you have created a real Django project, let's type this and run the server. Then I'm gonna do Python manage.py file run server. Then here we go. Now I type a run command. It's called run server Django.py file run server, something like that. Django.py manage.py file. And then you can see my server is running. So what you want to do is you open this, and after you open your browser, open your favorite browser, and then you just paste that URL there. You paste that URL there, this one, the one you just copied from there. You make sure your server is running. Let's see what's happening now. Okay, I didn't paste it well. Make sure you paste that and run the server. Yeah, so now you can see the Django worked successfully. Congratulations, you are seeing this page debug. Okay, if you so far reach this level, just know your Django is set up. You can proceed with other things. In the next video, we will explain the files inside the Django, and we'll create an app, and we'll create other things. Thank you for this video. Okay, if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe. My name is Diane, and at SpeedLearn, we are interested to teach you web technology, especially with Django and other technologies. Please consider to subscribe. I'm out. See you next time. All right.